What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm recording like after 2 weeks or something. Yeah, so it's really busy, and yeah, nothing's too much going on with pigeons too. So yeah, that's the reason I was not recording. So as you guys can see that few of the pigeons are still in mold, like this one you can see, and this one you can see, this one, and this young bird is a little bit sick. I'm going to know what's the reason, but yeah, young birds are still in mold. Let's feed them so they can come here. So as you guys can see, they are pretty much trained when I feed them. This one turned out to be super nice after mold. Actually, the original the first three uh, young birds that we got, that's this one and this one, and the Luba hen that she's sitting over there. So these three actually almost finished their molting, then followed by this hen and that Miliva. She's older, so yeah, she's the first one, and this one actually belongs to one of my neighbor somewhere over there. So yeah, he'll take him. I don't like him really, but yeah, he's staying here and I didn't get much time to return him. So yeah, he will definitely go. So yeah, so in the previous week or two, the weather was super hot. It should be really nice, but the weather was hot. So what happened was the pigeons were usually like staying free. So yeah, I was not disturbing them very much, not flying them. But one thing that happened was we lost a couple of birds, few of the mealy bars, like these one, and the the checkered pied white feather I posted in previous video. That was actually my favorite one. I was so excited to get him, but yeah, he somehow managed to escape. One wing was tied, the other was like he managed to untie it. So yeah, he escaped, and that's pretty unfortunate because he was circling here and there. Actually, I'm quite surprised that he wanted to come back. Hey, what are you doing? So yeah, he actually landed first over there, then some of the crows started beating him, so he escaped and went that way. But later I got a call from my friend that someone has captured him, and actually that's in that direction. I know that guy, but yeah, as I guess told you, that's not coming back. He's not returning it. So yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, that's what's going on these days. Nothing too much excited. Hope we get the breeding done. You can see that hen. She's so these are almost all the birds. You can see him. So actually when they start coming out of the mold they look really good, and then there comes the annual mold. So yeah, that what's happened. But the first mold is actually quite boring. I'm actually a little bit behind on mold because my birds were like randomly bred throughout the summer. So yeah, majority of the people are flying their pigeons, but it's okay, no worries. That's it for today. I hope you guys like the video. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.